Hi, my name is Chef Harwell. I'm the Culinary Arts Instructor at Florence Career Center, and I'd like to welcome you to our kitchen. We have a program that is for the person who just wants to learn a little bit about food to the person who wants to have a career in this business. We go through the proper food handling procedures, food safety. We also teach you how to take care of yourself, how to feed yourself correctly, how to eat well, how to not gain 25 pounds when you go to college. We will give you the information you need to do that. We will also teach you how to fill out a job application, to write a resume, write a cover letter. Anything that we can do to help you get a job once you get out of school, we're willing to do that, and that's part of our program. The other thing we do is help you find where you want to go. If you want to be a cook, you want to be a chef, you want to be a dietitian, we can guide you through that. We'll get you resources to be able to make a decision on your own with what you want to do with your life. So this is a life lesson that we do here, but it's also something very practical. We have 3 certification programs. We have Serve Safe, which is concerned with food safety, preparation, workplace safety. We also have ICEV for Culinary 1 students, and we have Career Safe for Culinary 2, which is basically OSHA 10, which is a workplace safety program that's very, very comprehensive. We are involved with a horticultural program where we're going to be planting a garden. We'll do vanilla vegetables, we'll do spring vegetables, and we will help plant, we'll help harvest, and then we'll prepare the food with it. So it'll give us a farm-to-table feel for our program we've never had before, and we're going to continue to expand that as we go along, and we'd like to have you with us.
I would definitely tell my friends to take this class because you can use cooking in your everyday life